Xiaomi Redmi 13. On paper, this is a great phone. 108 megapixel camera, 1080p 90Hz display, 33 watts fast charging, Xiaomi's HyperOS on Android 14, and the Helio G91 Ultra processor. This seems like the perfect phone, but should you buy it? Is it worth 200,000 naira? That's what we're going to find out in this video. So make sure you watch till the end. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Inside the box of the Redmi 13, we get the usual. The SIM tool, some paperwork, TPU case, charging brick, Type-C cable, and the phone itself. The design of the Redmi 13 looks very familiar. I wonder what it looks like. Oh yeah, an iPhone. Even though this design is being overused by many brands, we have to admit it looks good. I think this iPhone design is an easy way for a smartphone brand to get a good looking phone without stressing, which I think is what Xiaomi did with the entirety of this phone. There is a side-mounted fingerprint scanner on the power button, works very fast. At the bottom, we get the microphone, Type-C port, and mono speaker grill. At the top is a headphone jack and the IR blaster, which can be used for controlling your home appliances like your TV, AC, and so on. The hybrid SIM card slot is on the left. By the way, if you're new to the channel or you're not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss our future videos. The display on the Redmi 13 is pretty nice. It's a 6.79-inch 1080p 90Hz LCD display with pixel density of 396. It's also protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Colors look good and vibrant, content on the display is sharp, and the display is big. So overall, consuming content or playing games on this device looks great. Brightness is not so great, it's 500 nits. Android 14 on HyperOS 1.0.4 is what we get on the Redmi 13, but honestly, it doesn't feel like HyperOS. It feels more like MIUI in disguise. It's HyperOS, but it's not the full, complete version of HyperOS, and it's when you start using this phone, you start to notice that the phone feels incomplete and rushed. We get 6GB of RAM on my variant of the Redmi 13. There is also an 8GB RAM version. It's powered by the Helio G91 Ultra, which is actually a pretty good processor. We've seen it before on the Itel S24. The Helio G91 is slightly better than the Helio G85 on the Redmi 13C, and that should be the case here, but it's not. The Redmi 13 is not as quick as it should be. It's slow and it even lags sometimes. The more affordable Redmi 13C is better than this. And if you compare it to a phone that has the Helio G91 processor like the Itel S24, it loses. The S24 feels more smooth and optimized than the Redmi 13. Even Geekbench scores confirm this. The same thing also applies to gaming. I notice a few lags and stutters when playing Dream League Soccer on high settings. I think Xiaomi will be able to fix this with a software update, but for now, it's not looking good, bruv.
It's not looking good, bruv.
Or it could also be that the 6GB RAM is not well enough and the 8GB RAM version will perform better. That could very much be the case. We get a 108 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel front-facing camera. Both are capable of 1080p video recording at 30 fps. Check out some of the pictures and videos taken on the Redmi 13. Hey guys, so this is what the video looks like from the front facing camera of the Xiaomi Redmi 13. Don't mind my hair, but yeah, let me know what you think of the video quality and of course the microphone's audio quality. What do you think of the overall quality in the comments below? My shirt is looking really overexposed right now, but yeah, let me know what you think of the video quality. Sun is in front of me now the sun is behind me. How does everything look like? Let me know what you think in the comments. Right now it's looking really overexposed. If I tap on my shirt, does it dim it down? Now my face is very dark. Okay, what do you think? Video quality wise, audio quality wise, stabilization. Let me try and jog small. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Looks fine. 5,000 mAh battery and 33 watts fast charging is what we get on the Redmi 13. It takes about 1 hour 15 minutes to charge from 0 to 100% using that 33 watts fast charger. So that's the Xiaomi Redmi 13. What do you think about it? For me, I am not a fan of this phone. The phone feels rushed. It feels like Xiaomi wanted to get this phone into the market quick and they didn't take their time to fine-tune it. I think software optimization is the issue on this phone. The phone lags even when using it for regular tasks. I think it will be better if you go for a phone like the Tecno Pova Neo or the Itel RS4. Both of these phones will perform way better than the Redmi 13 as they have better processors and they are priced similarly. The Itel S24 is also a device you can consider. It has the same Helio G91 processor, but it performs better too, and it's more affordable. I have reviews of these devices on my channel, so you can go check them out. Or if you're a die-hard Xiaomi fan, it will still be better if you bought the Redmi 13C. Or if you can spend more, go for the Redmi Note 13 instead. I hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see me in my next video.